Hello, hello everybody. Welcome back. Look at all these tags. I can't even get them all in the photo, the frame. I have been creating with black and white and brown, mainly black and white, a little bit of gold, a little bit of brown, a little bit of crystals. And these tags are going in my Etsy shop in sets of 5. So this is going to be one of the sets. So they all have paper clips on the back. So they're little tags that you can clip on the side of your page if you want to. So 1, 2, 3, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love that. 4 and 5. So that would be one set right there, which I'll have them packaged up real nicely too for you. Okay, second set. Let's look at this. Looks like some faux stamps, some vintage buttons. This is an eyelash, like supposed to be an eyelash, but it's still a paper clip. Okay, so they all have paper clips. This is a little puff flower. This one has crystals and another little beautiful lady there. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so that would be package 2, and this would be the third package. So you can see my vintage postage stamps are on there. Beautiful. This is some of my rust-enhanced linens that I made. This is some hand-dyed seam binding that I purchased off of Etsy. So is this. So they are absolutely gorgeous, would be wonderful with a neutral toned journal, a black and white journal, a vintage journal, even just bookmarks for your Bible planner, your regular books, whatever. They could be used for anything. So thanks for watching, guys. Come see me in my Etsy shop. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.